guys, good morning. This is just kitten morning breakfast. That's biryani. I just served some biryani, and yeah, they like chicken mix with rice and hot dogs. So they're enjoying the food, and normally they also like the milk, but I have to give some food to be more healthy. So they're enjoying some biryani. So I give some biryani, this kitten, and with chicken liver and chicken mix. Hopefully they like it. Yeah, they're eating. Not bad so far. Enjoy, enjoy. Go, go, kitten. Eat. Four siblings, and just mother. They all looking good. They are all looking good actually, and getting bigger. I rescue them, and so far they are doing well, eating and having fun. And there are four of them. I mean, they are playful and cheerful. And they enjoy also going outdoor. Now they also go outside and have little bit, enjoy and play outdoor place. So also they stay inside the office container because the temperature weather is very bad and very hot outside. So I keep them inside the office container. Sometimes they eat very good, sometimes they just don't like same food. I normally also provide them some fish stuff. Yeah, that's it. This is the cute one, black one, you see, it's so cute. Hey kitty, it's so cute, fully black. Also this one has a strip, um, like mixed color. That one's look like white color and reddish or brown color. Both two also cute. You see right here, they are listening. Hey kitten, uh, they are actually cleaning their nose and mouth after eating. Yeah, this is it, guys. I rescue them. They are doing pretty well. Okay, I really love them, and hopefully they get bigger day by day, and then free, have your own freedom. All right, I love you, kitten.